Hey, it's Jonathan. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this video finds you in good fortune. If you like to buy the bottom, sell the top, make money in the middle, make sure you give me a like, subscribe, watch a video to the end. All these things, I appreciate it. Check out all the media. We also have a new staking pool. We're going to help raise up new stake pool old owners. So we've started a staking pool. If you get involved in our staking pool and in our Discord and stuff, then we're going to try to make some material available to help you start your own staking pool in education, help building it. Plus, we're going to split our own staking pool off and help you build your own. So I'm going to put the plan forward here in the next couple days as soon as I can write it up. This is the second video our staking pool is already up in good fortune, or IGF is the ticker. Um, but this is only the second video I've mentioned in. Alright, on the note of staking pools, the moment we've all been waiting for. SundaeSwap is releasing their initial stake pool offering, and they've released a date. So the moment we've all been waiting for is upon us. Below we've laid out the most important points you need to keep in mind, as well as the details you need to know about the SundaeSwap DEX launch and an easy to read, frequently asked question format in an easy to read. Okay. So anyway, here's some key points. The SPO ISPO is going to start on Thursday, January 20th. So you want to be staked to one of the participating pools, which they're calling them scoopers. You want to be delegated to a scooper. Now you know there's a lag time, so you have a couple hours to get in on this one. I think you'll miss the first week if you're not delegated already, because there's a lag time. It takes some time for it to update. It's like three epochs. So anyway, so on the 25th, the first round of rewards are going to be calculated. Um, and given out. So make sure you go ahead and get delegated to one of those ISPO scooper pools. The ISPO scooper before January 25th. Let's see, Tuesday. Um, on January 20th, yield farm and Sunday rewards begin. So there's going to be yield farming. Yield farming will be available for at least the first 6 months of the SundaeSwap DEX, and during this period, LP tokens, or liquidity pool tokens, staked to yield farm contracts in eligible pools. Okay, so the LP tokens that are staked to the yield farm contracts in eligible pools can earn additional Sunday rewards. So if they're going to have eligible pools, I'm sure they're the scoopers, then you can, if you're have your tokens delegated in those pools, then you're going to earn extra rewards. Okay, so you want to have your tokens in the delegated pools. Okay, if you understand that, I'm gonna link this article so that you can read through it if you like. All right. So the SundaeSwap DEX will go live in its full functional beta on Thursday, January 20th. 2022. Now they're calling it a beta. It's going to be the full release, but they're calling it a beta. Project will be allowed to create pools beginning Tuesday, January 18th. So on the 18th, if you want to go in there and create a pool, this is going to be decentralized. So you and I, we can go in there and create our own pools if we want to, if we choose to. Okay, so that's going to start happening on the 18th, a couple days ahead of time, um, before the DEX goes live. Initially, there will be 3 ways to acquire Sundae. So you can Sundae is their token. You can participate in the ISO by delegating to some of the scooper pools. Okay, now it's going to be 5 epochs. All right, so I guess that's 4 epochs. So you want to make sure that you get in as soon as you can, so that you can unless they're counting 20 as well as the epoch. I think it actually is 5 epochs. I think that's what it says up here. Didn't I just read that? So anyway, okay. So it's going to be the 16th epoch through the 316 through 320 epochs. Yield farm and rewards available January through June. So that's when the yield farming is. Swap and other tokens for Sunday on SundaeSwap and other participating dexes. This is a change of plans. See the section on the taste test on why. Okay, so when is the ISPO? Here's going to be your participants in each ISPO reward round. You must delegate prior to the following dates. Okay, so now there is still a lag time. I think that I don't. If you wait until the 25th to delegate, I don't think that it's going to. I think you need to go ahead and delegate now. So anyway, the ISO will begin as well on Thursday, January 20th, and will continue for 5 epochs. There's the 5 epochs. With rewards, 5% of the total Sunday supply, 1% per epoch, beginning distribution based on the snapshot that will be taken at each epoch boundary, okay? So they're going to take a shot of your wallet, how much you have delegated, and then that's going to your rewards are going to be based off of that, okay? To participate in each ISO reward round, you must delegate prior to the following dates. Okay, so you need to be delegated, but there is a lag time. When you delegate, there's a lag time. Okay, so if you delegate now, then I don't think you'll even make it in the first one. Okay, so you can't wait until the day to delegate because there's a lag time. Okay, as long as you are delegated to an official ISO scooper. So the list is here. It's going to be linked in the thing. Before the snapshot is taken, your rewards will be calculated for the epoch you stake in. Okay. So how how to ISO. How to ISO. If you want to make sure you qualify for all 5 ISO reward rounds, you must have ADA staked with eligible SPO before 21:45 UTC on January 25th. Your rewards will be calculated based on the snapshot taken at the time, and at the same time at each subsequent epoch or epic, however you want to say it, boundary. Details on where and how you can receive your Sunday and how you can check your outstanding rewards will be shared soon. Okay, so they're going to come out with something that you'll be able to check your rewards. Then this goes into how to yield farm and all that stuff. You're going to have a Sunday ADA cross, and then a couple crosses. Maybe I'll put out a video showing you about exactly about that when it comes out. Okay. Okay, the taste test. Why a beta? I'll let you read this stuff. So even though they've gone through the rigors, they're still going to come out as beta and all that kind of stuff. So all right, this is what's going on. Make sure you get in on the SundaeSwap. This is going to be a great project. I know a lot of people are excited about SundaeSwap. I'm excited myself. Also, make sure you check out our pool, and if you're interested in becoming your own stake pool operator, then I'm going to try to raise some people up as stake pool operators. We're going to get ours built. We're going to get it to 5 million ADA, and then we're going to start splitting off. Is the basically the gist of it. At least that's the plan right now. We're kind of in experimental phase, but we really want to raise up some stake pool operators so that we can decentralize the network. And this is our part. This is what we're trying to do. So y'all are beautiful. Make sure you get involved, and I'll see you next time.